side to it. And Gary got the Korean barbecue rib tips. It was $14.79. I got the honey sesame chicken, and it was $12.29. So let's see how good this is. So with tax, $28.85. But I guarantee it's going to be phenomenal. They said that the Korean barbecue rib tips are really spicy, and Gary already went to sit down, so it might be a little bit much for him, but I got it anyway. Gary got the Korean barbecue rib tips. Supposed to be very spicy. Here, let me try this French fry for you.
Might burn your mouth.
That's pretty good. You want to go ahead and try that and tell me what you think?
I've done this before.
Have you? I was going to go to Flame Tree Barbecue because I kind of obsess on them.
Gotta get rid of a lot of the gristle. I'm sorry about that. It's good.
I'll cut that part, maybe.
Yeah. I don't chew gristle real well.
Nice.
But, yeah, it's a little spicy, but it's not as much as I thought. So.
Well, when she said it's real spicy, and I'm like, and I thought, well, I could get you sweet and sour, but I didn't want to get you something other than what you asked me to get. I didn't figure you'd care one way or the other, but even so.
I've had way hotter than that.
Okay, good. I'm gonna try mine. I got the honey sesame chicken. I've gotten that here a million times, and it's delicious.
How was my fries? How was my fries?
His fries are good. You will like them. I'm trying to not have my henna fall off into my food.
No, I am. Actually, a French fry has a little bit more crunch than this.
Nice. Their food here at Yak and Yeti is amazing.
Oh, good. Small piece. Otherwise, steal all your stuff.
He'll steal it all.
There we go. Here we go. Rated.
Nope. But thank you for asking.
Very good. I like that.
It is really good.
How
It's
much
really
glaze on it?
It's a honey sesame chicken, although I don't see any sesame on it whatsoever. But anyhow, it's super good. I think I get that here pretty much every time.
I think they said it's honey sesame. Sesame. I thought
So clever.
Hey guys, you wanna get out? Hey, here's a bunch.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted,
I've been looking for
overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on
the bad house.
No time to stay around, keep walking till you get out of the face.
Yeah, there's like 4 of them. Clear off in the distance. Yeah.